Okay, so that's it for today. It's been like 8 hours. Um, I'm tired, so I'll show you what I've done here. I still have all that to do, and as you can see, there's more trees. So, a lot of cleanup. Looks pretty good though. This is all today. Now it's got a view out there. There's the ocean out there. So we'll come back and cut down all these big trees. Okay, well, till next time. It's Friday. So I won't be here tomorrow. But Monday I will be. I'm not sure if I'll be working up here or on the fencing. Probably on the fencing. So I'll show you more of that later. Alright, aloha.